Did you know that castor oil, often overlooked in skincare, contains a unique fatty acid that can transform your skin? This hidden gem might just be the natural solution you've been searching for. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the surprising benefits of using castor oil for face care. It's gaining popularity for its effectiveness in enhancing skin health, and we're about to tell you why. Many of us struggle with skin issues like dryness, acne, or uneven texture. We spend countless hours and dollars trying out different products that promise results but often fall short. The frustration of dealing with persistent skin problems can lead us to seek natural remedies that are gentle, yet effective. Harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients can sometimes do more harm than good, leaving our skin yearning for something more nurturing. So what if there was a natural, affordable, and effective way to address these common skin concerns? Enter castor oil, a natural powerhouse packed with skin-loving properties. Its high ricinoleic acid content gives it exceptional moisturizing abilities, making it perfect for combating dryness. Castor oil also boasts anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help reduce acne and soothe irritated skin. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow down the aging process. For maximum impact, you can blend castor oil with other ingredients like jojoba oil for added hydration, or a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree to enhance its benefits. Applying it regularly can lead to softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. Now, here's the simple trick to maximize the benefits of castor oil. Apply it at night before you go to bed. During sleep, your skin enters repair mode, making it the optimal time for castor oil to work its magic. After cleansing your face, warm a few drops of castor oil between your palms and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. This not only boosts circulation, but also ensures deeper absorption. By incorporating castor oil into your nighttime skincare routine, you allow it to deeply moisturize and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. So there you have it, the hidden benefits of castor oil and the simple nighttime trick to unlock its full potential. By addressing common skin issues naturally, castor oil can be a game changer in your skincare routine. Have you tried castor oil on your skin? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share them in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wellness and skincare tips, don't forget to visit our channel. Like and subscribe for more natural beauty insights.